Recently, I needed to use a socket on my impact driver and quickly realized I didn't have an adapter to make this work. I already have these socket bits, but they didn't work because the shank isn't compatible. Not to mention that even the biggest one is too small for the bolts I was using. So I bought this socket adapter kit for drills and impact drivers, and I'll list it in the description so it's easy for you to find. It has the most common sizes, plus it includes a magnetic screw tip holder. Compatible impact driver bits have this notch on the end, and this is necessary for it to lock onto. Now I can slip on any socket I need to use. It's the same with the screw adapter. Just slip it in and I'm good to go. And take a look at this. These socket adapters will work on a regular drill as well. So if you don't own an impact driver, you've got another great option. This adapter kit was about $6 and really handy to have around. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.